Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about exception handling techniques in Java, part of programming in Java course. There are several techniques that can be used to handle exceptions in a Java program. Try-catch block. The try-catch block is used to catch and handle an exception that is thrown within the try block. The catch block contains the code that is executed when an exception is thrown. And below is an example of a try-catch block. Throw statement. The throw statement is used to throw an exception explicitly. This can be useful when a program encounters a condition that should be considered an error and an exception should be thrown. And below is an example of throw statement. Throws clause. The throws clause is used to declare that a method may throw an exception. This is used to indicate that the method may throw an exception, but it does not handle it. Instead, the exception is passed up the call stack to be handled by the calling method or by the main method. And below is an example of a throws class. Finally block. The finally block contains code that is always executed whether or not an exception is thrown. This is useful for cleaning up resources such as closing file handles or database connections. And below is an example of a finally block. Exception hierarchy. Java's exception classes from a hierarchy with the class throwable at the root of the hierarchy. Subclasses of throwable include exception and error. And below is an example of exception hierarchy. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.